Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a related post section to the end of your blog post. Super helpful for keeping website visitors on your website and reading more of your content, building that relationship with them. So to do this, I've just created an example blog post here. I've added related posts using the text block. And now what we're going to do is click the little tier icon. This will bring up our content blocks. We want to scroll down to summary, and you can use any one of these layouts you prefer. I'm going to just go with the carousel for now. So click on that. I now have to plug it up to where I want to pull the content in from. So you can actually add your products or anything like that in here if you wish. I'm going to plug it up to my blog. So click there and you'll see that it's now brought up my most recent blog posts. Now click on layout. And you can now adjust this to whatever you like. So a lot of people use a 3.2, some people use a square, that's what I use, and other people use the Pinterest icon. What this pulls in is your featured image. So whatever your featured image is on your blog post, whatever size that is, that's the aspect ratio you want to choose. I'm going to remove the header text because I just want to keep it simple. 3 is fine. My text size, text alignment, and metadata position. You can choose all of that to your preferred look and layout. I'm now going to take away my excerpt. I just want to keep it nice and clean. And I'm also going to take away my title just because I feel like it shows it in the image itself. I don't want to show the date posted, but you can show the category, tags, author, location, whatever you prefer. I'm going to select none, keep it nice and clean. And then when it comes to category filter, this means it will pull in only posts from a specific category, or again, you can use a tag filter if you'd prefer. So I'm going to add just my tutorials. So I'm going to put in tutorial. And this will filter out so that I'm only sharing my Squarespace tutorials in my related posts. This way you can tailor your content. For example, if you have posts talking about a specific topic, you want to share related posts related to that topic. So click on apply and click save. And you will now see your related posts are here. So people can just click on and it'll take them to the relevant blog post. So I hope that you found that valuable, and I hope you definitely use it at the end of your blog post. Like I said, excellent way to keep visitors on your page. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up and share it out with your friends on social media. And say hello in the comments section. I'll join you there. My name is Chloe. I am your digital marketing sidekick, here to help you publish, teach, and sell online. So if that's something that you're into, also be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you can be notified next time I post a video. Have a beautiful day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you again real soon.